Video 4.5 QnA Maker. In this video, we will learn about the following topics. What is QnA Maker? What are the use cases and applications of QnA Maker? Understanding the knowledge base lifecycle in QnA Maker. QnA Maker is a cloud-based natural language processing service. It is an ability of a computer program to understand spoken human language and easily create a natural conversational layer over our data. It is used to find the most suitable answer for any input from a custom knowledge base of information that we provide. QnA Maker is generally used to build conversational client applications, including chatbots, social media apps, and speech-enabled applications. It is more abundantly used in chatbots as the primary ability of a chatbot is to respond to queries from the users. A chatbot is an AI software that can simulate a conversation or chat with a user in natural language through text. It is commonly observed in messaging applications, websites, and mobile apps. If you look at the grassroots level, a chatbot is simply a computer program that simulates a human conversation either through written or spoken. It mimics digital devices to a real person and enables us to interact and communicate with the device. Some rules and powerful AI software power a chatbot as we observe in Google Assistant, Alexa, or Cortana. Let's look at some chatbots around. From booking an appointment with a doctor, teacher, or any other professional to ordering food or responding to queries of customers in customer care services, chatbots play a vital role in the business domain. It provides a great range of support to scale businesses. Using chatbots with the QnA Maker ability helps the business save a lot of money, which is the reason many business owners are moving towards this technology. A chatbot is also very flexible as it can integrate with many different platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and many more. We can also observe these chatbots with QnA Maker ability in customer care services of large product and service-based companies like Amazon, Zomato, Uber, and many more. So we can see that the range of QnA Maker service is broad and ever-expanding. If you are ever stuck between LUIS and QnA Maker service to choose for your application, consider these points. If your organization has lots of static questions and answers, for example, question and answer samples as in FAQs, take advantage of the features provided by QnA Maker. Upload your static questions and answers into QnA Maker portal as a knowledge base. Your application can then call the QnA API to search for questions asked by the user from application's knowledge base and return the response. If you want to design an application that needs to extract information from the user's questions and further process their intents, use the LUIS service. So let's look at what is a knowledge base in QnA Maker. QnA Maker imports all our content into knowledge base of questions and answers pairs. The import process extracts information about the relationship between the content to imply relationships between the question and answer pairs. We can edit any of these question and answer pairs or add new pairs. The content of the question and answer pair includes all the various forms of the same question, metadata tags that are used to filter answer choices during the search, follow-up prompts to continue the search refinement. As we publish our knowledge base, a client application sends a user's question to our endpoint. The QnA Maker service then processes the question and responds with the best answer. This is the knowledge base lifecycle in a QnA Maker. After a knowledge base creation, testing and updating of the knowledge base is done. The knowledge base is ready for testing once it is populated with content. During testing, we enter common user queries. Then, verify if the responses returned are with both the correct response and a sufficient confidence score. To fix the low confidence scores, we need to add alternate questions or add precise answers or modify the contents of the knowledge base that we have seen above. Once we are done testing and adding content to the knowledge base, we can publish it. Publish creates an endpoint for the knowledge base, which can then be called in our application or chatbot. We can then monitor the various analytics of our service usage. We can also log the chat logs of our service by just enabling application insights while creating the knowledge base. Based on what we learn from the analytics, we can then make appropriate updates to our knowledge base. Video summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics. What is QnA Maker? What are the use cases and applications of QnA Maker? Understanding the knowledge base lifecycle in QnA Maker. In the next video, we will learn how to create a chatbot using QnA Maker and the bot service.